In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Google Ads lead form to Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by discussing why connecting Google Ads with Zapier is so beneficial. When you capture leads through Google Ads, being able to automatically funnel that data into your CRM or email marketing tool saves you time and ensures you never miss a potential customer. This integration can help streamline your processes, making your marketing efforts more effective. Now, let's dive into the actual steps to connect your Google Ads lead form to Zapier. The very first thing you need to do is go to the App Connections page on Zapier's website. You can easily find it by searching for Zapier App Connections in your browser. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a clean interface where you can manage your connections. Next, look for the option that says App Connections on the page. Clicking on that will take you to where all your existing connections are listed or where you can set up new ones. This is really the heart of your integrations in Zapier. Now that you're in the right section, go ahead and click on the Add Connection button. This will open up a new dialog asking you what type of connection you want to set up. Take a moment to think about what you want to achieve with this integration. From the options provided, you'll want to search for Google Ads. Just type it into the search bar and watch as the options populate. When you see Google Ads in the results, click on it. This action will initiate the connection process. You may be prompted to add the connection once again at this stage, which can feel a bit repetitive, but it's all part of ensuring everything is done correctly. Click on Add Connection once more, and it will guide you to log in to your Google Ads account. If you already have a Google Ads account, log in using your credentials. If you don't, you'll need to set one up. This part is crucial because you'll be granting Zapier the necessary permissions to access your Google Ads data. Once logged in, follow any on-screen prompts to allow Zapier to connect with your Google Ads account. It should be pretty straightforward. Just make sure you accept the terms and conditions and grant the required permissions. And just like that, you have connected your Google Ads lead form to Zapier. Now you can create Zaps, which are automated workflows, to send your leads to other applications, like your CRM or email marketing platforms. This means every time someone fills out a lead form, their information can be seamlessly transferred where it's needed. This connection can significantly enhance your marketing efforts and ensure your leads are following the right path in your sales funnel. Remember, it takes just a few minutes to set this up, but it can have a lasting impact on how you manage your leads. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide on connecting a Google Ads lead form to Zapier helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using tools for your business. Happy automating!